Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's do a little Walmart haul. I say it all the time, the app is where it's at, okay? I ordered from the app for this one. There's more clothing options, there's more brands, there's a bigger model selection. You could choose someone that kind of fits your height, shape, body type, all of the above. I think I have 3 or 4, maybe more outfits, but I also ordered a couple of pairs of shoes, which I'm really excited about. So let's decide together what to keep, what to return before I take all these tags off. This is one of the pieces, one of the sets, if you will. This is a Joyspun PJ set. By the way, I will link everything in the description box down below for you. Joyspun has quickly become one of my favorite PJ brands. Their size range, their patterns, colors, the different options. Like, I like the shorts, like the button up top with the short sets. They have pants, they have shirt dresses, like sleep dresses. They have so many different options, but the feel of them, they're the softest material. So when I spotted this lemon print, I had to have it. I wear Joyspun in a size 2X, though I do have some in a size 3X. I did get a pair of 1X one time that were too tight. So if that tells you anything, my measurements are always down below, by the way. This set, I love it. Plus it's like less than 20 bucks. I think they're $16.98 for the pair. So you have elastic waist shorts with pockets. The top actually buttons up with a cute little collar. I just love all the detail. I wouldn't call the shirt cropped, but it's definitely not like a super long shirt in my opinion. I should have done this last so that I could just keep it on for the rest of the day. You know what? I will put it back on after this video so that I can edit you, but this is cute. I love it. The lemons, the whole peachy background. I might as well just go ahead and take this off because I already know I'm keeping this. This is a free assembly brand top in a size 2X, so it is proper plus size. I liked the angles of it from the app. I thought this was cool, like this super high. I want to call it a boat neck because of how it kind of comes out here. But these like angles, the 90-degree angle, I feel like, of the shoulder kind of looks like it has shoulder pads. It does not. It also looks like that in the back. I'm obsessed with blue and white striped things at the moment. I don't know if I'm loving this. I just feel like it looked a little bit cuter on the app. In my head, I thought this would be like a cooler type piece. So it's not just like the regular tees I wear with like linen skirts, linen pants, linen shorts type option. This was just something a little bit different, and I thought that I could dress it up a little bit too if I wanted to. This top, I could take it or leave it. I guess it depends, like if I'm keeping everything, then I'll probably just keep it. This black skort is the brand Avia in a size extra, extra, extra large, which they say is a 22. It's not plus size. Even though on the listing, it says it goes up to a size 4X, that would make you think it's actual plus size, but it's not. The L after the X's means straight size if you weren't familiar with that. This is very comfortable. It is an active skort. I like the black color. It does have pockets. I thought that was really nice. And the back is just the shorts. So the skort part doesn't extend around to the back, but there is pockets. The shorts underneath are a looser fit. I've been on the hunt for the perfect skort. I'm going out of town soon and I want something I can wear to dinners. This skort, I don't know if it's really the vibe that I'm going for. It kind of looks like an active skort, and I wanted something that didn't quite look like that. But I thought I might as well grab it since I was placing an order anyways. I would probably tuck this shirt into something, so that's what it could look like. And then I have these blue No Boundary shoes. I own 2 or 3 different colors of these at this point, and I absolutely love them. I order my regular size 9. They were $19.98. I recently did a little haul or a little try on video at TJ Maxx and found a pair of bright blue Reeboks. Loved them, but I knew that Walmart had this version. Now the blue is not as bright, but I still think it's really pretty. I also thought it could be cute with this outfit. Again, I should probably just go ahead and take these tags off because I know I'm keeping these. I don't think you can see the shoes in this view, so I will put a little video here. I love them. I put socks with them that I would probably wear, like a slightly higher crew sock, not a tall sock. I do wear ankle socks with them. I wear these kind of shoes all the time. I will say this, I also have a pair of leopard print shoes very similar from Target. I got them so long ago. They are not nearly as comfortable. I cannot walk in them all day long. Like these No Boundary shoes, I took my green and white pair to Ireland, walked all day long in them, and they are so comfortable. I don't think I like the skirt. I like the top, I like the shoes. The top can go or stay, it's kind of iffy. The skirt is a no. This outfit I'm on the fence about. I think size-wise, I may have flubbed a little bit. Brand is Scoop, and it is this linen blend set that I thought was so cute on the app. So top is in a size 2X, bottoms are in a size 18W. So the top is this like beautiful square neck, front button. I think they call it a button front vest, maybe something along those lines. But I love the look of these tops, especially when it's a matching set. Okay, we know I love a matching set. I think I should have sized down in the top. I love this little detail here. These pants though, I could be persuaded to keep because they're a high rise like wide-ish leg with pockets. They button zip. They're like a nice pair of pants. They're also slightly long, and I don't think I ordered the tall version. So while I want the matching set and I think it's adorable, like you could dress it up, you could dress it like a cute, like trendy dinner outfit. I feel like you could wear this to work. There's so many things you could do with it. I think I flubbed on the size. I did order these though, and I'm kind of obsessed with them. So I've seen so many people right now wearing the Mary Jane look, but they're mesh. And they did have a mesh pair on Walmart's website. I will link it for you. However, they were sold out of my size. So I opted for these. It's like a cutout, what do they call it? Cutout Mary Janes from No Boundaries. I got my regular size 9, and I kind of love them. They were $19.98. So my plan for these, I wanted to wear them with a pair of joggers with like a cute top just to walk around town for my little vacation that's coming up. They are memory foam too. They're comfortable. Okay, I walked around like 10 minutes. So I guess not that long, but they weren't rubbing my back heel. There's cushion in them. You can't even see them with these pants on. I'll still put a video here, but I like them. The top I'm sending back, but the pants, okay, I don't know. I feel like maybe I should size down 1 in the pants. I do feel very cool in this outfit though, had it fit properly. This top is Free Assembly brand in a size extra, extra large. I couldn't pass it up. I see, again, so many different brands carrying very similar tops. This one was $8. It is a slightly cropped, I wanna say boxy type fit, but I appreciate the bit of a longer sleeve. This is also a soft material. I mean, I can feel the lemon, but it's not uncomfortable on my skin. So hear me out. Had these pants fit how they were supposed to, my plan, one of my plans could be walking around during the day, these linen pants, these flats with this top tucked in. I do think I need the pants in a size smaller, and I'm sad about that now because I don't have time to send them back and like get them back in time for my trip. I might could just reorder instead of trying to do an exchange process. I need to look into that. I know this is not an Old Navy video, but I ordered this black skort. It's like a linen skort. And this could be really cute with this top and shoes. I do like it better with this skort. I already took the tag off the shoes, so I'm keeping them. I do really like them. I just have to get used to them because I lived through the first round of Mary Jane's. Well, maybe not the first ever in the history of fashion, but when I was like early 20s, like late teens, early 20s, this is what I wore, like flats. Not like this. I feel like they're much cuter now. So I do have to get used to like seeing them on my feet again. This is really comfortable. So I'll probably end up keeping the top as well. You can't beat $8. And I already own this skort. It's from Old Navy, like I mentioned. I will link it for you. I went out on a limb with this one. Both pieces are Free Assembly brand. Both are in a size extra, extra large. So it is a matching set, but it doesn't come as a set. You have to buy each piece separately. I like the look of this. I feel like it's, to me anyways, it's more of like a beach cover-up, or that's how I would wear it. It is very comfortable. These actually tie, so that was nice because when it showed up, they were tied so tight that it was like an under boob crop top. So I was able to loosen them and tie them myself. This is a good, like, comfortable feeling top. I liked the bottom too because it's this big band of smocking here. It does tie and actually like cinch in if you needed it to. The skirt is like midi, almost maxi length. It does have pockets. It is very trendy. I like it as a beach cover-up. I always also get questions about my strapless bra. I will link it down below. I've been wearing this one the entire video. I don't think these shoes are the best option as well, so keep that in mind. Last piece we have is this dress. Time and True is the brand, in a size 1X. You know I'm a sucker for anything tropical print. I liked all the little details about this on the app, like this, how you can cinch in the shoulders. I like the collar. It actually buttons. It's a midi length and there is elastic behind the belt. You can also take the belt off if you didn't want to wear it. However, wearing it, I don't know if I love it as much. This detail on the sleeve kind of makes it a little bit restricting to lift my arms. I feel like this size was a good size though. You know what I just realized? That I own a dress in this exact print, that off the shoulder maxi length dress. I hauled it, I feel like almost over a year ago at this point, because I remember wearing it, I feel like anyways, that I wore it to an anniversary dinner. I still have it, which means I still like it, which means I'm not surprised that I ordered this, not realizing that I already own something in the same print. Oh, it does have pockets though, if I didn't mention that. If pockets sway you to buy or keep, buy or return, if you're kind of on the fence, it does have pockets. All right, that is a wrap on this video. I will link everything down below, like I mentioned, in the description box for you. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're watching and you're not subscribed already. We do a lot of clothing hauls, like mainly clothing hauls here. I do throw in some vlogs like once a week. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.